2, 1, action. What up? What up? What is happening, good people? Boosted box Chevy, man. We got to change the wheels on the boosted box Chevy. I got word that the 24s are burning too much smoke. We got to put something else on there. So we got them rollouts. We're going to take a look at those. What do we got? Corvette rallies. Old school Corvette rallies. I'm trying to find another one, man. I'm trying to find another Corvette rally so they all four match. I do got a factory caprice wheel, caprice rim to put on there. But before we do any of that, I want to show y'all something. So if y'all don't mind, let me show y'all something. Check this out. And it's easy, man. It's as easy. Check it. Watch this. Y'all, what I want to show y'all is something so simple. Simple Simon. Check us out. Check us out, man. So you watching, oh, that's swaps. So you watching, we're going to go over here, we're going to search, boom, swaps and stuff. You like the video's good, you like the content. You go up here, you see what I just did. You see it. You go up here, you see the video. Hey, man, just hit this little button right there. You hit that right there. See that little, wow, look at that. That easy. That simple. And it's free. Try that. We got a little something right here. 6.0. Y'all remember the motor? Y'all remember it? The engine that had the broken rod? Well, we got him all back together, y'all. 6.0 LS1 heads, which are not common, which is not a thing that you would want to put on 6.0. I already know that's not the head you want to put on an engine. You got to do the 706. You got to do this 799, the 243s. Well, guess what? We're doing things different over here. We're doing the LS1 241 heads. We got dual springs on it. And guess what cam we have? We have a carbureted cam. A carbureted cam. In this engine, head studs, some Speedway engineering headers that's been a little modified, but they're gonna work. And the carbureted cam motion. So, will it work? I don't know. I don't know. Is it gonna work? Is it gonna work? I don't know. I believe it'll work. You know, a lot of the hype about not this cam and not that cam and not this and not that sometimes works just fine. I'm not out here trying to make all the horsepower in the world. I'm just trying to, you know, have a little sound, make a little chop, and get out of its own way. I'm not racing, you know what I mean? So it's okay. And that is the motor for the green bean. Now, what's wrong with the green bean? Green bean runs like a top. It runs like a top, straight up. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Transmission slips. I eat transmissions up like dinner. That 4L Slippy, that's what it is, the 4L Slippy. So we're gonna opt to go for the 4L80, hoping to find me a stall for that cam. So we go with that 6.0, the 4L80 with that cam, and hope to make, who knows, what we're gonna make. 200 horse. We can call it 600 horse. It doesn't matter. I mean, we can call it what it wants. It don't really matter. But that's what we try to do, man. Drop that 6.0 in this truck. Two-tone. The two-door Blazer. It's been sitting way too long. The donor. Look at that. Ready to come out. So we might go ahead and get a video of that. We may get a video of this coming out of some type. And can't promise y'all how long the video is going to be. And how, you know, it's not a how to remove the engine from a Tahoe. Because I was trying to pull the engine with transfer case and everything. But that ain't going to happen. Because it is bent all the smack over on that other side. So my goal is just to get it out, clean it up, And we got something else, y'all. Uh-oh, we got another mouse catcher. Yes, sir. Another superstar. A mouse catcher. So let me go get some gas and we'll jump on this dude, pull this out, change some tires on the boosted box Chevy, and we'll go out here and lay some black marks on some 15-inch rallies, Corvette rallies. Boosted box Chevy. Let's get these 24s off this thing, y'all. Let's get these 24s off this thing. I got some wires hidden already. Those are in the cab wire, inside the cab wires, tack module, engine light, all that kind of stuff. Oh no. Oh no, that looks like crap. I gotta get all that taken care of too. But it all works. We go ahead and get this stuff out the way. Get it out the way. I think we got a gas, y'all. We out of gas. We out of gas. Story of my life, man. It's hot out here. But we're gonna get these 24s off, put these rollouts, these 15s on here, and then we'll go ahead and have some more fun with some rollouts, So I know. Yeah, we out of gas. We out of gas. I gotta go get some gas for the booster box Chevy, man. And we'll address the wires and tires and take these 24s off. I got that lockup for the rear end. What they call it, a mini spool or locker. I got a locker for the rear end, so we can go ahead and roll out on dual, posi burnouts. 255 30 24 is a good look on this car, man. I got 26s on Casper, and it does the same thing up front. It rubs up front. It is. My brother got 28s on his, and it rubs everywhere, and that's even with the universal car lift stuff. So it's a possibility, man, that I'm trying to do all this without cutting and rubbing on mine. And there's a couple scuffs on them wheels, but you can take and heat them, knock them out a little bit, get them back jumping. I don't have to have the high dollar wheels. They serve the same purpose. They hold air and they move. And then not only that, man, that tire back there, it'll definitely it's still a bunch of tread on it, even with what I've been doing. So let me jump my butt off here, get some gas. I gotta go get some petrol for this boosted box Chevy behind us. All right. That's the factory box Chevy, 5 by 4 3/4, 215/75R15. And then here is that Corvette Rally I was talking about. I was trying to find another one, man, but it ain't look like I was going to. No biggie. What size we got over here? 255/60 15. So looks like that was gonna be a little taller. Being that, I don't know. We're just gonna go ahead and slap this one on this side. Missing a couple lug nuts to be exact. And if I ain't mistaken, there was a twist in on this side over here. Twist in on this side over here. It came out. So that's what we're gonna use. Put the other twist in. We're gonna try to put it back in. That's probably why it was rubbing like it was. See what we got, y'all. Uh-oh. Ain't up high enough. looking rim. Bad looking rim. Five on 4 3/4 24s. Yeah. Go ahead and see if I can put that another knuckle back in. Once I get these wheels on. There she is. See how many we got over here. 1, 2, 3, same amount. Same amount. Just hope they all the same size. And they not. They're not the same size. Find another socket to fit that. Say that we got two. You know we got one knuckle. Just hope these suckers ain't too wide to where they rub. Shit. Go ahead and see if I can put that other twist in on that other side. This is what we're talking about, the twist in knuckle. Old school way of raising the car up, get that clearance. 1/2-inch drive, slides right in there, turn it in. Low, y'all. She's low. Got a little bit of ground clearance for that crossover pipe. Factory crossover, well, aftermarket crossover pipe. She's low. Go ahead and do the rear. Go ahead and do the rear. All right, y'all, it's a little dark, but y'all ready to see what she's looking like on them factories. Hold on, hold on. What y'all think about it? She look like a different ride now with the rollout / Corvette rallies on And I guarantee you she's still going to get down the same way, if not better. That's a lot less rotating mass, a lot less weight. Watch and see. Watch and see. I'm tempted to put that locker in there. I put that locker in there. It's over. These back tires gone. We definitely gonna have to get some lug nuts because we only had 3 on the 2 on this one, 3 on that one, 3 on this one. So we're gonna get some lug nuts. Got her sitting on the ground. We do have clearance. We do have clearance for the crossover pipe for the turbo. So that's a plus. So man, hit the thumbs up. We didn't get started. We didn't get to do no burnouts on this video because we still haven't got no gas. But guess what? Tomorrow's another day. Lord willing, we'll be there. Be blessed, stay blessed. Swaps out.